Hi guys, welcome back to Techie Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to be looking at an easy way to organise your pack. Dry bags are a great tool to keep your kit dry inside your pack, but they're also great for organising. The Sea to Summit range comes in a number of different colours, which means we can assign colours to different items. That means when you're in your tent looking for something and you can remember which bag it's in, it's easier to find, especially on those dark evenings in the winter. In front of me I've got a bit of an example of what I'm talking about, and this is how I personally lay out my bag. We've got one of our smaller bags at 1 litre here, which is coloured red, perfect for any little bits and bobs such as your spork, head torch or lighter. Moving up, we've got a 4 litre pack here, which is perfect for your stove and or any cooking equipment that you might have, such as your stove, gas canister or even your food. Moving up, we go to green, perfect for a roll mat. We've got quite a big self-inflate one here, but anything smaller or bigger would fit into this dry bag absolutely fine. And then finally, we've got yellow, which is great for a sleeping bag. We've got a small, compact down sleeping bag here, but you could fit a bigger synthetic bag in this one too. The great thing about all this is when you get into your tent in the evening, it's easy to find what you're looking for. You know, all your little bits and bobs are in your red bag, your cooking equipment is in your blue, and your sleeping stuff is in your green and your yellow bags. What's also great about this is because they're dry bags, everything is dry inside your pack. So if you get caught in the rain, there's no need to throw on a rain cover. It's all perfectly dry inside your pack. All right. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll catch you next week.